Today we are making an unboxing and installation video for Yonker patient monitor. The model is YK8000C. So first let's see the unboxing. So here let's see what is in the box. So all the accessories are here. This is the temperature probe, ECG cable with electrodes. This is adult SpO2 probe. This is the power adapter, earthing cable, NIBP hose pipe and adult cuff with user manual. So all of this includes in the accessories in the box, and here is the main device itself. This is the main unit. As you see, the monitor is very sleek in design and 12.1 inch screen, which is a LCD display. And now on the device, you see towards the left side, here you'll have to attach all the probes. Here are some buttons for operational functions. So here this is the unboxing video for Yonker patient monitor. The model is YK8000C. This is all in the box that you receive, all the standard accessories with the main unit, the device. Thank you. So now let's see the installation video for Yonker patient monitor. This model is YK8000C. So firstly we need to connect the power cord to the main unit. Here you connect the power cord. This is for earthing cable. This was central monitoring system, and this is the USB line. This is behind the back, and here an internal rechargeable battery is already fit in the device. Now when you see towards the left side of the monitor, here is where you connect all the probes, which is the ECG, NIBP, temperature and SpO2. So you need to connect the probes here. And here this is the on-off button. Long press to on. Now towards the side you see all the operational keys. This will help in functioning, getting in the menu of the device. This is the rotating knob here. Now this is our alarm mute button. This is freeze. Here you see the NIBP. Here you can see the trends, and when you click on this, you can go to the monitor setup. So first let's see in the monitor setup. Here you can actually change the display that you see here, the waveforms and the parameters. The display setup can be changed here. This is right now in standard, but you can change it to trend and big font screen, Oxy CGR screen and big font screen, but standard is mostly preferred, so we'll keep it in standard. And then you have some other settings, which is the alarm limit, the record time, alarm sound, key volumes, time setup, record and mark event. So this comes under the monitor setup. And then I will show you the demo mode. So now the monitor is in demo mode, as you see here. So now when you connect all the probes for the device, this is how you see the reading. This is in standard form in the display. So you get all the recordings here from ECG, waveform, SpO2, respiratory, and the parameter readings are also available here. So this is the installation video for Yonker patient monitor. The model is YK8000C. Thank you.